Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. So my dear students, please take out your GK1 books and let's start our today's lesson. So do you remember the name of our unit? We are on unit number 11, My Body, and today is its 7th lesson. So my dear students, before moving on towards our main lesson, let's quickly recap what we have done previous lesson. तो आप मुझे जल्दी से सोचकर बताएं और आंसर करें कि हमने जो कल पढ़ा था उसमें हमने क्या क्या पढ़ाई की थी. So name different types of sounds that you hear around you. आप अपने इर्द गिर्द मुख्तलिफ किस्म की आवाज़ें सुनते हैं. तो आप मुझे ज़रा बताएं कि किस किस किस्म की आप आवाज़ें सुनते हैं. Loud, low, high and soft. So these are different types of sounds that we hear around us. Very nice. Okay, my dear students, now today we will start a new sense. अभी हमने sense of sight पढ़ ली, sense of hearing पढ़ ली, तो आज हम sense of smell study करेंगे. और आप sense of smell कहाँ से करते हैं? From your nose. Very nice. So my dear students, let's quickly look at today's student learning outcome, which is for the parents and the teachers to understand. So it is given on page number 81 of your book, and we have covered these parts of the SLOs. You have named major body parts, you have identified their main functions, you are now able to name 5 senses, and you are also able to identify the body parts to which these senses belongs to. और आज हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? Today we will identify the sensory description of smell, sense of smell, which is pleasant and unpleasant. तो आज हम sense of smell को जो है in detail पढ़ेंगे और आप उसमें 2 तरह की जो smells हैं उनको identify करेंगे. Pleasant यानी कि अच्छी खुशबू, and unpleasant, which is bad, जो कि आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती. Okay, now let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective, which I am focusing on in every lecture, that it is He who has made you and made for you hearing and vision and hearts. Little are you grateful. So my dear students, कुरान पाक अल्लाह ताला says कि मैंने आपके vision बनाया है, यानी कि sense of sight बनाई है, आपका सेंस ऑफ हेयरिंग बनाई है, इसके अलावा मैंने आपका दिल बनाया है. लेकिन इतनी सारी ब्लेसिंग्स के बावजूद हम अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा नहीं करते. सो वी मस्ट बी एक्सट्रीमली थैंकफुल टू अल्लाह ताला. Okay, my dear students, some pre-reading questions before we move on towards our main lesson. तो आप लोग जो है 5 senses के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं. Quickly tell me which part of body helps you to smell. Also name the sense. तो आपका कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट है जो आपको स्मेल करने में हेल्प करता है? इट इज टच इट. जल्दी से टच करें. यस, इट इज नोज. और जल्दी से मुझे ये बताएं, नेम द सेंस जो आपकी नोज के पास है. इट इज सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. वेरी गुड. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ quickly open page number 88 in your books. Page number 88. Pause the video and open the page. I hope everybody has opened page number 88 in their books now. So my dear students, quickly look at the picture. First picture, sorry, आप इसी पेज पे जरा pictures देखें. This is a perfume. On page number 88, this picture shows it is a perfume. So quickly tell me कि perfume की smell कैसी होती है? It is ये अच्छी लगती है जब perfume spray करते हैं. मामा spray करती हैं, बाबा spray करते हैं. So it feels very good. और जब आप गार्डन में जाते हैं या पार्क जाते हैं, you visit there, so there are different flowers over there. तो आपको flowers की खुशबू कैसी लगती है? Very refreshing, है ना? बहुत अच्छी लगती है ना? So perfume and flowers have pleasant fragrance. Pleasant होती है उनकी smell. Whereas you can see here dirty socks. तो कैसी होती है dirty socks की smell? Not good. Bad होती है ना? And then जब भी आप किसी गार्बेज कैन के पास जाएंगे तो कैसी होती है वहां पे स्मेल? बहुत स्मेली होता है और अच्छी बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती. सो दैट इज अनप्लेजेंट. परफ्यूम्स एंड फ्लावर्स हैव प्लेजेंट स्मेल. अच्छी खुशबू होती है. Whereas dirty socks and garbage have unpleasant smell. अच्छी smell नहीं होती. Okay, now let's move to words given on page number 88. Put your fingers where I'm reading. Sense of smell. Sense of smell. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. We can sense if something has odor. We can sense if something has odor. So odor का क्या मतलब है? Smell. Smell और odor के same meanings हैं, ठीक है? Odor को भी smell ही कहते हैं. Some odors are pleasant. Some odors are pleasant. यानी कि अच्छी खुशबू होती है, अच्छी स्मेल होती है. Some odors are unpleasant. Some odors are unpleasant. So my dear students, हमने कितनी तरह की odors, odor मतलब smell, smell और odor का same meaning होता है. तो अब हमने we have studied about two odors, pleasant and unpleasant. Pleasant मतलब अच्छी, good smell, and unpleasant means bad odor, bad smell. So my dear students, perfume, again put your fingers where I'm reading. Perfume and flowers make us feel refreshed. Perfume and flowers make us feel refreshed. Refresh means tarotaza. They make us feel good. They have nice fragrance. They have nice fragrance. So what is the meaning of fragrance? अच्छी खुशबू, good smell. On the same page number 88, here under the dirty socks, put your fingers where I'm reading. Smell of dirty socks. Smell of dirty socks and litter make us disturb. Smell of dirty socks. Dirty socks here. And litter. Litter means garbage. Make us disturb. यानी कि हमें परेशान करती हैं. They are not good. We do not like these smells. We do not like these smells. So, the good smells or the pleasant ones are flowers and perfumes, and sometimes your favorite food. Your favorite food has a good smell. तभी तो आपको वो एकदम से मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. और जैसे ही बर्गर की खुशबू या पिज़्ज़ा की खुशबू आती है, and your mother is cooking biryani in the house, so it feels good. Then the unpleasant ones, the bad smells, dirty socks and garbage. And rotten food, gala sada, ganda khana, they have bad smell or unpleasant smell. Okay, my dear students, let's quickly move forward to an activity. So the activity is encourage students to share their likes and dislikes about different smells. So teacher, you will encourage your students that they will discuss about their likes and dislikes about their favorite and the which they do not like, the smells. Okay, so let me discuss with you about my favorite smells. I like perfumes, I like rose smell, and I also like whenever my mother is cooking biryani. Yum, I love the smell. The aroma or the smell is so good. And the smells that I don't like, rotten food, gala sada khana, I don't like that. और जब भी कोई कहीं पे बहुत ज़्यादा कूड़ा पड़ा हुआ होता है, लिटर पड़ा हुआ होता है, गार्बेज, सेम नेम्स हैं ये, तो उसमें से भी मुझे बहुत बैड स्मेल आती है, अनप्लेजेंट स्मेल आती है. सो नाउ टेल मी योर लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स अबाउट द स्मेल्स. वेरी गुड. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स क्विकली मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द प्रैक्टिस. सो For the practice, your teacher will provide you with a printed worksheet number 6. And how you will do it? You will write down your name over here, your class over here, the video, and quickly write your name and your class. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now what is the worksheet saying? What's the smell? So the directions which are given to you are: look at the pictures, these pictures. Decide if it has a pleasant or unpleasant smell. Write the numbers given with the pictures under pleasant and unpleasant smell. So 2 columns are given to you, pleasant and unpleasant, and you have to look at the pictures and you have to write the number under pleasant or unpleasant. Let me do the first one for you. So the first picture, smell of a flower. It is pleasant or unpleasant? Pleasant. So the number 1 will come under pleasant. Now let me do another for you. Socks, dirty socks. They have pleasant smell or unpleasant smell? Very good. They have unpleasant smell. So number 2 will come under unpleasant. Now pause the video and quickly finish the rest of the worksheet. I hope everybody has finished the worksheet, my dear students. Now let's quickly recheck if you have done it correctly. Okay, so number 3 is the perfume. So perfume has pleasant smell. Then comes rotten food. Number 4, it will come under unpleasant. Then the garbage, it has unpleasant smell. It will come under unpleasant. Food, good food, it will come under pleasant. And then fruits have good smell, pleasant smell, so it will come under pleasant. So quickly recheck your worksheet. I hope you have done it correctly. Now let's quickly move forward. So my dear students, for evaluation, quickly tell me that when you sweat in summer, how do you smell? जब आपको गर्मियों में पसीना आता है तो कैसा फील होता है? It has a pleasant smell or unpleasant smell? Unpleasant. So it feels bad, disturbing feel होता है और unpleasant smell आती है. So we must remain neat and clean always. Okay, my dear students, your homework for today is given on page number 88. Homework activity number 7. So how you will finish this homework? Let's quickly look at the activity. How do you feel about the smell of flowers and garbage? तो आपने अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कस करना है कि आपको फ्लावर्स की खुशबू कैसी लगती है और आपको गार्बेज की स्मेल कैसी लगती है. Flowers have pleasant smell, garbage has unpleasant smell, and then what you will do is ask them to plant flowering plants in your house. Ask them to take measures to remove garbage in your street if present, and ask your parents to sign the homework activity for you. Dear students, next आपने जब discussion, when you have finished the discussion, next you will do is ask your parents कि plant some flowering plants in your house. अपने घर में अपने parents से कहें कि कुछ फूलदार पौधे जो हैं वो लगाएं. And if there is any garbage in your street, so take some measures. कुछ ऐसा काम करें या कुछ ऐसा चीज़ें करें कि जो garbage है वो आपकी street में ना रहे. So, another homework is communicate with others. Discuss with your friends or cousins which smells do they like, how do these smells make them feel, which smell they do not like, how do such smells make them feel. So my dear students, एक और homework जो आपके लिए है, that is communication between your friends and your cousins. आपने उनके साथ communicate करना है. You must ask them that which is your favorite smell, which smell you do not like, which smell makes them feel pleasant and which makes them feel unpleasant. So also tell your favorites and what you do not like. Okay, my dear, here we will move forward. So what have we learned today? Pleasant and unpleasant smell are identified by the sense of smell. So अच्छी खुशबू और बुरी खुशबू आप किस चीज से सेंस करते हैं? फ्रॉम योर नोज. और नोज के पास कौन सी सेंस है? सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. वेरी गुड. Okay, now let's wrap up the lesson and quickly tell me, name different types of smells. So they are pleasant and unpleasant. और pleasant smells कौन सी होती हैं? Flowers, perfumes and good food. And the unpleasant ones are dirty socks, litter and rotten food. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. You have done your worksheet, you have done the activity. Complete your homework and keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.